Welcome to 3650 Sunland Lane. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. 1,480 square feet with a pool. Nicely set up kitchen. New refrigerator, there's a laundry room right off the kitchen. Lots of counter space, plenty of cabinets. There's a primary bedroom. Sliding doors out to the pool. Out through here. There's an ADA second bathroom here. Nice size. And beautiful guest room here. All right. Come make an appointment to come see it. Take you out to the pool, eating area, gorgeous pool. Fantastic.